Good morning, boomers. The voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Champagne, thank you for tuning in. Guys, a little consolidation here on the markets on Friday as we anticipate perhaps maybe the next bull. Make sure you're touching the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. A little pullback this morning after some wild volatility this entire week. Looking at the charts and see what perhaps maybe could happen, and let you know what positions we may be into or not. Make sure you hit the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Gaming Max is in the chat. Good morning, sir. Let me drop a bomb for you. Let me go ahead and turn off these coins and share my screen. Boom, you got Fantom. What a run. What a run. Look at this run, guys. I'm glad that we got in here basically back here. What a boom. So, you know, the trend still looks favorable, but we're paying attention to Bitcoin and Ether. And it looks like, you know, after a lot of volatility, a lot of up and down, you know, we may consolidate for a few days here. One thing I do want to note is that high, it doesn't look as sharp as it did this last high. You see this high, the peak is very sharp. You can see this high, it's kind of rolling over. I don't know what to say about that. The last time we had one that rolled over, we did have a run a few days after. So, you know, let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. Let me know what you think of shaking and baking. Let's see what the top gainers and losers are. So the losers are One Harmony, Solana, T-Fuel, Fantom, BAT. A lot of people taking profits, and I'm not surprised. You know, it's the weekend, Friday. People probably going to take some profits. There's a potential to have perhaps maybe see a run up on Saturday night or even Sunday night, maybe Monday. I don't know. But you know, if I'm going to expect us to go ahead and you know, continue with this bull run, it probably will happen on the weekend. You got Ren, Zilliqa, they're up. How about Hex, though, guys? I mean, this is one I talk about on all the streams because I'm extremely excited about this thing. It's been straight up with Hex. This is an anticipation for that Pulse Chain airdrop, allegedly the largest airdrop ever in crypto, where they're going to be duplicating the entire Ethereum blockchain, and you'll be able to access all the assets that you had on Ether on Hex as a duplicate. Now, what are those assets going to be worth? No one knows. They're going to launch at zero. And here's the way I look at it. Even if those assets are worth even 1% of your portfolio, you just made a 1% gain. So, you know, I'm very excited about this. And, you know, the possibility of it launching and being more valuable than 1% is certainly there. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen, but I wouldn't be surprised, you know, if it launched and all the duplicates are worth 1, 5, 10%. Imagine if it's worth 1-to-1. That would be crazy. But anyhow, here you go with the 5-day Hex hitting all-time highs. And like I've said before, I don't see any reason for the Hex community or Hex holders to be selling their Hex coins if very soon in the next, I mean, I don't know when the airdrop is going to happen or the snapshot, but it, you know, allegedly is going to be in the next 1 to 2 months. I would say by the end of the year, okay, is what I'm expecting, but I could be wrong. So I don't expect anybody to dump him, though. Hex is going up. People are staking. There's anticipation for a new chain. So, you know, this one's been strong. Arguably the best performing crypto, period. I mean, it's outperformed Bitcoin and Ether since its inception. So, and again, you know, it's funny to say it because, you know, this is a token that is somewhat controversial. And, you know, whatever. Bitcoin was somewhat controversial at the beginning. So, let's go ahead and check out today's mathematics over here on CoinGecko. Boom. Good. Drop a comment on me, guys. Let me know what's shaking and baking. I was looking at the top gainers and losers here. BTC holding at 46, which is actually pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Ether there at 33.51. Cardano 244. The only one, I mean, even Solana's in the red today. Solana up 39%. But if you go on the 7-day gainers, you can see that Fantom is the top gainer this week with 80%. Next to Quant, I don't know much about Quant, so you know, but basically Fantom and Algorand. Harmony's done well. Solana is down there at number 39. And this is what I've been saying. You know, a lot of people are asking me about Solana. What are you going to do with Solana? What's up with Solana? And it's on a lot of people's radar because it's number 6. It's on the front page, but I don't think that it has the potential for short-term growth that Fantom has. simply because of the market cap size. So, I mean, that's not no shade at Solana. Perhaps, I mean, I'll say in the same sentence, Solana appears to have more long-term potential, being that it's a bigger coin, but who knows? Boom. Let's look at some of our favorite Fantom platforms like Boo, the automated market maker Boo, now ranked number 431, dumping 20% today. I'm doing all right though, Boo, an all-time high just 3 days ago of $30, low of 31 cents a month ago. So how about that volatility, guys? How about that volatility? So that's doing all right. Let's check out Spirit Swap, which is their competitor. I have a little stake there, a little more than a little stake. 4-year actually on the In Spirit. Yesterday we covered this bot that they're going to be introducing, and it's called introducing the Charon and Spirits of the Month. And if you're staked with In Spirit, you will have access to their giveaway channel, where they can give out airdrops of merchandise, NFT, Spirit rewards, FTM tokens, and more. This is interesting. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is that you need to verify your wallet address on Discord. So, there's a little bit of anonymity issue here. But, it is what it is. That's what it is. And I'm sure they got to do it that way so that people don't set up bots and game the system. So that's Spirit. Let's continue moving forward. Scream is one that I stayed in the hand. It's I stayed with a little bit of Fantom and a little bit of Scream. A very small bag of Scream. I think about 10 or 11 Scream. And it's dumped. Everything's about 20% down today. So I mean, I'm not really doing anything. I'm just gonna wait around and wait for the trend to change. Boom. Is there anything to be buying today? I would say, hey, buy the Hex dip, but there's no Hex dip, and I already bought Ether this week, so I'll just be waiting. I'm just gonna wait around. Like I said, I think that perhaps maybe we may be seeing a run up later this weekend. If things indeed are still bullish, which they could be, that should reveal itself by the end of or by the beginning of the week. Guys, drop a comment on me. Let me know what's shaking and baking. I'm covering all the beats out here. Shout out to Gaming Mint Max, Brogada. Did you get into Rex? No, I haven't. And I know that's the Hex clone on BSC. I've seen a couple people talking about that. And I don't know if that's referral only or how that works. But maybe I jump into that. I did see people talking about that. So it's like a Hex clone on BSC. So I don't know if you need a referral link or not, or, I know some people were promoting some referral links, so we'll see. And I'll tell you, referrals ain't how they used to be in crypto either. But yeah, maybe that's something I'll check up this weekend. What's the address on that website? Because I definitely have seen a lot of people talking about it, but I haven't really gone to the site myself. Rex is the Hex clone on BSC. Let's take a look at Grim Finance here. And Grim is allowing for some Spirit staking as well. Let me see here. Another yield aggregator. You can see that you can stake single asset Spirit FTM. So there's a couple things here. If you're in the Spirit community and you don't really want to do your own lockup and in Spirit, they basically have the plug, and you can leverage them. Another one I'm looking at is this Start token. If I'm not mistaken, I think that Spirit Swap is using. Are they using them or not? Or was it Boo? No, it's Spirit Swap. So Spirit Swap has a link to this IDO, Starter Investments, and you could see that they're promoting this this Launchpad, I guess, leading IDO Launchpad Incubator Investor Network, and then you could. This runs on the Start token. So you may want to check this one out. Start. Let's see where they're ranked at. Is it Starter XYZ? Was that what the site that I was just on? It seems like the same logo. You got to watch out with these things. You never know. Yeah, it seems like the same network. So this one on CoinGecko launched me to the starter Polygon. So this is like a cross-chain launchpad is what I'm seeing here. I may be wrong. But the token is down like every other token, about 20% today. But I'm going to keep this up on my tab, you know, being that they're promoting cross-chain. Perhaps maybe there's something here. I don't know. I'm noticing it's down for the past 30 days. Let's keep it up. You know, they're going to be doing pre-sales allegedly. So let's see. But other than that, guys, that's about it, guys. You know, I'm still patiently waiting. I let you guys know about that Arbitrum airdrop yesterday. If you're staking and locking Addy, which some people may, over there on Adamant Finance, Arbitron airdrop for Addy lockers. So if you have any sort of Adamant locked up in that platform, you're going to be getting a airdrop. Each user will receive one Arbitron Addy for each boost point they have on the Polygon network. So if you want to read a little bit more about this, here is the link. And again, that's on the Matic network on adamant.finance. If you're staked over there, you're going to be getting an airdrop. Arbitrum is another layer 2 solution. So it's similar to Fantom and AVAX. And apparently they're on testnet now and they're going to launch soon. I don't know exactly when, but this is going to be a whole nother layer of Ethereum virtual machine. So I don't know what the price is going to be or not. And if you want to read more about the actual project, I actually found an article on CoinMarketCap that talks about what is Arbitron. This was posted back in June. So it looks like it's legit. I don't know, you know, but I may just do the stake on Addy. I had a stake that expired yesterday on a single asset, and I haven't done anything with it. I'm considering whether just to go ahead and restake it. It's only like a few $100, and you know, so that I can get that credit. Because I am locked up on the Adamant platform, but with the ETH Adamant LP, which is very attractive in my opinion, because it's paying a nice APR. But my understanding is from what I read here that the airdrop is for those that are staking single asset Addy, excuse me. So I'll be doing that as well. So yeah, Arbitrum, guys. You know, maybe get some of these coins. You never know. I mean, you know, one thing I've learned, and I've repeat this, you know, it pays to participate in crypto. Okay, you know, we learned that through Uniswap. You participated with Uniswap, you got an airdrop. You participated with 1inch, you got an airdrop. The Fox tokens, you got an airdrop. There's so many projects that simply rewarded users for participating in the crypto game. Okay, for using a platform or for just engaging. So, you know, lesson learned. Same thing with Hex. If you had Bitcoin at a certain point in your wallet, then you were just airdropped free Hex. You had to go claim it or whatnot. I didn't do it. And I'm kind of kicking myself for not doing it, because it probably would have been a whole lot more than expected. Same thing with the CryptoPunks, allegedly. That was an airdrop. So I'm going to do my best to not ignore what could be some life-changing opportunities with these airdrops. We don't know. Now, you also got to tread lightly, because, you know, there's phishing attempts and there's funny bunny stuff, and you guys should know all that. But other than that, guys, you know, check out the Arbitron, check out all the swaps, and check out Fantom. And now here we are patiently waiting for the next run up. Okay, as Hex hit all-time highs, I would say buy the Hex dip, but I'm not. I actually bought this dip right here, 34. This last dip, this is where I bought. Me personally, that was the last purchase I did for Hex. Excuse me. It's incredible. 47 cents. Can we see $1 Hex at this rate? I think it's possible. Shout out to Brogada, the rest of the boomers, guys. Drop me a comment. Gaming Max is here, and the rest of the boomers. I'll take a few more minutes. I'm not in a rush. Let you guys tune in and ask me a few questions. Is anybody still in the Fantom out there? Is anybody on these altcoins, or are you guys waiting? And I'll tell you another thing, guys. I've been saying this. I'm going to get a Telegram. I'm going to get a Telegram. And then I went to go set up the Telegram and then the phone numbers and this and that. And now, since I've been on Fantom so much, I see that the majority of those projects are on Discord. And then I remember, oh, I got a Discord that I set up way back. So maybe I should bring that one back. I need to get a little chat group or a little chat box with you guys. Even if it's not for me to be on all the time. Shout out to Gaming Max. He says, waiting. Could you hear me? 1, 2. Yeah. My mic's on. My mic's on. Yeah, he's waiting. That's what I mean. Waiting for the move. Just like I am, guys. I consolidated most of my hands back into USDC. I mean, I left some Fantom there or whatnot, but I'll wait to confirm that we're in a bull run again. We still may be in it, but I'm not in the business of timing the tops or the bottoms. I'm just riding the waves. And on that note, guys, I think I've covered most of the beats. Guys, I encourage you to go to the gym, as I should have today, but I've been quite busy. I kind of fell off the gym. I only went to the gym one time this week, so I got to get back. So, even the champ sometimes falls off key. So, make sure we're back on Monday or this weekend. Make sure you're pumping that weight, deadlift, squats, bench press, SBD, and stay strong out there, boomers. On that note, shout out to Gaming Max, Brogada, the rest of the boomers. I'll be back. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest.